Hi students, good morning. Welcome back to online class. Are you fine students? I hope you all are fine and safe. Stay safe in your home and prepare the portions well. Okay students. Okay. In the previous class, what are the things we discussed? Have you remember students? We discussed about India's major islands, is it? In the beginning of this class, we can recollect few important points about previous class portion. Okay. In previous class, we discussed about India's major islands. India has how many major island groups? There are two major island groups in India. They are Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep Islands. Is it? According to these groups of islands, how many islands are located in Bay of Bengal? 572 islands. Is it? 572 islands are located in Bay of Bengal. Then, how many islands are located in Arabian Sea? There are 27 islands are located in Arabian Sea. Is it? From here, we learned about the explanation of the two major islands of India. Is it? First of all, we learned about Andaman and Nicobar Island. Okay. Andaman and Nicobar Island is located an elevated portion of the submarine mountain. Is it? What is the climate of Andaman and Nicobar Islands? Andaman and Nicobar Islands has hot and wet climate throughout the year. Is it? And also it has dense forest. Then how much square kilometers are there in this island? 8,249 square kilometer. Okay. Then this entire group of islands are divided into two. Is it? What are they? Andaman and Nicobar. Is it? Andaman is located in which direction? In north. Is it? Nicobar Island is in the south. Then which is the administrative capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands? Port Blair. Port Blair is the administrative capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Then, which one separates Andaman and Nicobar group? 10-degree channel. Is it? 10-degree channel separates Andaman and Nicobar group. Andaman from Nicobar group. Then, finally, we learned about Lakshadweep Islands. The second group of island is Lakshadweep Island. Is it? Where is Lakshadweep Islands located? Lakshadweep Islands are located off the west coast of India. What is the total areas of these particular islands? 32 square kilometer. Okay. Which is the administrative capital of Lakshadweep Islands? Gavaradi. Gavaradi is the administrative capital of Lakshadweep Islands. Is it? Then dash separated from Maldives Islands by the Lakshadweep Island? 8-degree channel. Okay. Lakshadweep Islands are separated from the Maldives Islands by the 8-degree channel. Then when it get the name Lakshadweep, in which year? 1973. It was named as Lakshadweep in 1973. Okay, these are the things we learned in the previous class. And which worksheet I gave in previous class? Have you remember students? I gave some 1 words and 2 marks and some map works. Is it? In the first class I gave the states map of India. I hope you done that map. Then in the second class I gave important mountains in India. Important mountains in India. Then the next class I gave important rivers in India. The next class I gave important plateaus of India. In the previous class I gave the map work, the islands of India. Okay, these are the map works I gave and some 1 words and 2 marks I gave. All the worksheet you have to do, learn well, okay, prepare well, and all the worksheet you keep it carefully and after that you have to submit. Okay. Then now let us come forward to today's class. Okay, today we are going to discuss about India's seasons. Today we are going to discuss about India's seasons. Every year our planet experiences four seasons. Every year our planet experiences four seasons. They are autumn, winter, spring and summer. Okay. How the season is formed? As Earth moves around the sun, it spins in a slightly tilted position. This tilt is causes our season. How season is formed? As Earth moves around the sun, it spins in a slightly tilted position. Tilted means to move. To moving position, this tilt is causes our season. Because through the year, different parts of the planet are closer to away from the sunlight. More or less sunlight and heat impact on the length of each day and the average daily temperature in different seasons as well as the amount of rainfall. Listen students, as Earth moves around the sun, it spins the slightly tilted position. This tilt is causes our season because through the year, different parts of the planet are closer to away from the sunlight. More or less sunlight and heat impact on the length of each day and the average daily temperature in different seasons as well as the amount of rainfall. The country's meteorological department follows the international standard of four seasons. There are four distinct seasons in India. They are winter season, summer season, monsoon or southwest monsoon season, post monsoon or northeast monsoon season. Students, India has four distinct seasons. They are, the first one is winter season, the second one is summer season, the third one is monsoon or southwest monsoon season or rainy season, the fourth one is post monsoon season or northeast monsoon season. Okay, now we are going to learn about each seasons one by one. Now listen students, the first one is winter season. The first one is winter season. Winter season starts in the month of January and it ends in the month of February. Winter season starts in the month of January and it ends in the month of February. How winter season is caused? Winter is caused by the axis of the earth in the hemisphere being oriented away from the sun. Winter is caused by the axis of the earth in the hemisphere being oriented away from the sun. In winter, we have cold weather, sometimes snow and frost. In winter, we have colder weather, sometimes snow and frost. The trees have no leaves. During this season, the trees have no leaves. And also, during the day is shortest. During winter season, the daytime is shortest. When it is winter in the northern hemisphere, it is summer in southern hemisphere. When it is winter in the northern hemisphere, the same time it is summer in the southern hemisphere. During winter, the weather is very cold and temperature falls even below 5 degrees Celsius in some part of the country. During winter season, the weather is very cold and also the temperature falls even below 5 degrees Celsius in some parts of our country. And also, we are wearing some of the warm clothes during winter. During winter, the people are wearing warm clothes. In this season offers us lot of fresh fruits and vegetables like orange, kiwis, bananas, apples, radish, carrots, and green vegetables. Then during this season, the sun rises late. During this season, the sun rises late. Sometime during this season, mostly during this season, the sunlight were rises in lately. This season is good, but not everyone. It create huge problem people who live in hilly areas. The winter season is good, but not everyone. It create huge problem for some people, those who are living in hilly areas. Okay. Then the second one is summer season. The second one is summer season. Summer season starts the month of March and it ends in the month of May. Summer season starts in the month of March and it ends in the month of May. How summer season is caused? The earth orbits the sun. Its tilted axis always points in the same direction. So, different parts get sun's direct rays. How summer season is caused? The earth orbits the sun. It tilted means to move. Okay, it tilted axis always the points in the same direction. So different parts get sun's direct rays. Okay, summer is the hottest of the four temperate seasons, falling after spring and before autumn. When summer season will occur? After spring and before autumn. Okay, the summer is the hottest of the four temperate season. The summer season only very hottest season. During summer, the day are longest and the nights are shortest. During summer, the day are longest and the nights are shortest. Okay, in summer, the weather is usually warm. Trees have full green leaves. In summer season, the weather is usually warm. Trees have full green leaves. During this season, the vertical rays of the sun falls over the peninsular India. During summer season, the vertical rays of the sun falls over the peninsular India. So, the temperature increase from south to north. During summer season, the temperature increase from south to north. So, the people suffer from terrible heat from morning till midnight. Because of the vertical rays of the sunlight, the people suffer from terrible heat from morning till midnight. During this season, people wear light dresses and they prefer staying indoors. And also, during summer seasons, people like to visit hill stations to escape heat. Various kinds of fruits and flowers are available in this season. The important fruit is mango. Mango is the most dominant fruit of summer season, and also some other fruits also famous in summer season. Jackfruits, guava, watermelon, and pineapple also very favorite for during summer season. Okay, then the third important season is monsoon or southwest monsoon season. Southwest monsoon season. Southwest monsoon season is occur the month of June to the month of September. Okay, the southwest monsoon is starts in the month of June and it ends in the month of September. Okay, then how this season is caused? Low pressure formation over the Tibetan plateau due to intense heating during the summer season cause southwest monsoon. Listen very careful students. How the southwest monsoon is caused? The low pressure formation over the Tibetan plateau due to intense heating during the summer season cause this southwest monsoon. Okay. Then this season bring rain. Okay. It is also called rainy seasons. It is also called rainy season. During this period, most of the regions are requires average rainfall. During this season, most of the regions are requires average rainfall. Just you see this map, students. Just you see this map. Because of atmospheric pressure, the wind blows from southwest to northeast direction in Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. Just you see this map. During the southwest monsoon season, because of atmospheric pressure, the winds blow from the southwest to northeast direction. Just you see this map, the arrow mark is mentioned. The pressure of the winds blow from southwest to northeast direction in Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. Okay. This is one of the important map. Okay, 10th standard related important map. During this period, we cannot see the sun. The sky is dark in color. During this season, we cannot see the sun. The sky is in dark color. Rainy season brings us joy, but it also brings suffering to some people. That means many rivers bring flood, some crops get destroyed, and also some houses also fall down. So the poor people have no shelter during this period. And also during this period, the winds move back from the mainland to the Bay of Bengal. The winds move back from the mainland to the Bay of Bengal. Okay. Then the fourth one is post monsoon or northeast monsoon. The last one is post monsoon or northeast monsoon. It starts the month of October and it ends the month of December. The northeast monsoon begins in the month of October and it ends in the month of December. Why it is called northeast monsoon? The southwest monsoon wind returns from Indian landmass and blows towards Bay of Bengal. Okay, the northeast monsoon is called this name. The southwest monsoon wind returns from Indian landmass and blows towards Bay of Bengal. The Coriolis force deflects this wind and makes it to blow from northeast. The Coriolis means the effect of the earth turning on the direction of the wind. What is meant by Coriolis? Coriolis means the effect of the earth turning on the direction of the wind. Okay, the Coriolis force reflects this wind and makes it to blow from northeast. Hence, it is known as northeast monsoon or post monsoon. Listen very careful, students. I will repeat. Why the northeast monsoon is get this name? The east monsoon is get the name because of the southwest monsoon wind returns from Indian landmass and blows towards Bay of Bengal. The Coriolis force deflects this wind and make it to blow from northeast. Hence, it is known as northeast monsoon or post monsoon. That means the reverse happens during the winter when the land is cooler than the sea, establish pressure from land to sea. This causes the winds blow over the Indian subcontinent towards the Indian Ocean in the northeastern direction, causing the northeast monsoon. Listen very careful, students. The reverse happens during the winter when the land is cooler than the sea, establish pressure from land to sea. This causes the winds blow over the Indian subcontinent towards the Indian Ocean in a northeastern direction, causing the northeast monsoon. The sun and the during this period, the sun and the warm waters of the ocean heat up the air in this region and it increases moisture content. During this period, the sun and the warm waters of the ocean heat up the air in this region and it increases the moisture content. So the air rises, it cools and it releases accumulated moisture, thus it bringing rainfall. Okay, can you understand, students? Now we learned about India's season, India's 4 distinct season. I hope you understood the 4 distinct season. Just you see this map, students. This is the northeast monsoon wind. Okay, this also important map, 10th standard portions map. Okay, northeast monsoon wind. Okay, it starts in the month of October and it will end in the month of December. The southwest monsoon wind returns from Indian landmass and blows towards the Bay of Bengal. Okay, so just you see, this is the northeast monsoon. Okay, now from north to east. Okay, northeast monsoon wind. This is northeast monsoon wind. Okay, I hope you understood these 4 seasons. Shall we recall the points, students? Students, today's class we discussed about India's seasons. Is it? How season is formed? As Earth moves around the sun, it spins in a slightly tilted position. This tilt is causes our seasons. Okay. Then we learned about different season. Okay, India's different distinct season. How many distinct seasons are there in India? There are 4 distinct seasons in India. Is it? What are the 4 distinct seasons? Winter season, summer season, monsoon or southwest monsoon or rainy season, post monsoon or northeast monsoon season. Is it? From here, first of all, we learned about the winter season. Winter season starts in which month? Of January. Is it? That the month of January starts the winter season and it ends in the month of February. How winter season is caused? Winter is caused by the axis of the earth in the hemisphere being oriented away from the sun. Is it? During winter season, we have colder weather. Is it? Sometimes snow and frost also. The trees have no leaves during this time. Is it? And also during this period, the daytime is very shortest and during winter season, the temperature falls even below 5 degrees Celsius in some parts of our country. Okay, this season lots of fruits and vegetables also there in according to this season. Then, secondly, we learned about the summer season. Is it? In which month summer season will start? Summer season will start the month of March and it end in the month of May. Okay, how it caused? How summer season is caused? The earth orbits the sun, its tilted axis always points in the same direction. How summer season is occur? The earth orbits the sun, its tilted axis always points in the same direction. So, different part get sun's direct rays. Okay, the summer is the hottest of the 4 temperate season. Summer season is very hottest of the 4 temperate season. This summer season is falling after spring season and before autumn season. Okay, during summer season, the day are longest and the nights are shortest. Is it? And also, the weather is usually warm and the trees have fully green leaves. Okay, the trees have fully green leaves during this season. During this season, the vertical rays of the sun falls over the peninsular India, so the temperature is increased from south to north. During summer season, the temperature increase from which direction to which direction? South to north. Okay. Then the next one is the monsoon season or southwest monsoon season. How the southwest monsoon season will cause? Low pressure formation over the Tibetan plateau due to intense heating during the summer season. Okay, summer season cause low pressure formation over the Tibetan plateau due to intense heating during the summer season cause southwest monsoon. Okay, when the southwest monsoon will begin the month of June. When it ends in the month of September. Okay, this season is called also called rainy season. Is it? Why this season is called rainy season? This season brings rains, so this seasons will call the rainy season. That means most of the regions are across average rainfall because of the atmospheric pressure. Okay, just to see this map, because of the atmospheric pressure of winds blow from southwest to northeast direction and Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. So during this period we will get good rainfall. Okay. During this period we cannot see the sun because the sky is in dark color. Okay, the sky is in dark color. Finally, we learned about the northeast monsoon or post monsoon. Finally, we learned about the northeast monsoon or post monsoon. Why it is called northeast monsoon? The southwest monsoon wind returns from Indian landmass and it blows towards Bay of Bengal. Okay, that means the reverse happens during the winter when the land is cooler than the sea. It establishes pressure from land to sea. This causes the winds blow over the Indian subcontinent towards the Indian Ocean in a northeastern direction, causing the northeast monsoon. Okay, during this season, the sun and the warm waters of the ocean heat up the air in this region and it increases content. So, the air rises, it cools and it releases accumulated moisture. Thus, rainfall is bringing. Okay, thus it bringing the rainfall. Okay, can you understand, students? Just you see this map. This is northeast monsoon wind. Okay, I gave two maps here. One map is southwest monsoon wind. The another map is northeast monsoon wind. These two maps are related to 10th standard portion. Okay, so you have to do. Now, just we will move the worksheet. Okay, today I am going to give two questions and two map books. Okay, the first question is name the four distinct seasons of India. Name the four distinct seasons of India. Second question is write down the time period of each season. Second question is write down the time period of each season. That means each season will starts and ends from which month to which month. Okay, you have to write and learn. Then this next work is map works. Mark the following in outline map of India. In the first map, you have to do direction of southwest monsoon wind. In the first map, you have to do direction of southwest monsoon wind. Okay. In the second map, you have to do direction of northeast monsoon wind. In the second map, you have to do direction of northeast monsoon wind. Okay. Students, I gave these two maps in the video. You have to see the map and you have to do totally 40 or 50 maps you have to buy and keep. Each map you have to do and keep the file. This is your 10th standard map works. 15 marks map questions will come. Okay, so very careful. You have to do clearly and learn well, and 1 words and 2 marks question also you have to prepare from here because this is related to 10th portion. Okay, students, we will meet the next class. Thank you.